The TP-Link TL-SG1005P PoE Gigabit Switch features 5 full gigabit ports, 4 of which are PoE Plus capable, delivering up to 30 watts per port for efficient power and data transmission. This switch offers a straightforward plug-and-play setup, eliminating the need for any additional software installation or configuration, making it ideal for users seeking hassle-free installation. With advanced quality of service features such as port-based 8021P DSCP and IGMP Snooping, the switch ensures high-quality video and voice data transmission, prioritizing network traffic effectively. Constructed with a durable metal casing, the TL-SG1005P is designed for both desktop and wall mounting, adapting well to various environments while ensuring longevity. The fanless design of this switch guarantees quiet operation, making it a perfect fit for noise-sensitive environments, while the IEEE 802.3x flow control ensures reliable data transfer. Backed by a 3-year warranty and free technical support, users can confidently rely on the TL-SG1005P for consistent performance and support when needed.